Hi everyone, welcome to this tour of Stephen's Close, which is the Jesus College second year undergraduate accommodation. I'm Will, I'm the JCR Access rep, and this is Ryan.
Hi there, I'm a member of the JCR Access team.
Yeah, so we're going to be showing you around, shall we? This is so this block of flats is called Stephen's Close. It's where pretty much all the second years live. So obviously lots of people have bikes because we're not quite as close to the centre of Oxford as when you're in your first year.
This is our gym, just recently reopened because our lockdown measures have allowed us to go to gyms now. So it's like a conservatory space. We've got a few different bits of gym equipment, so it's quite handy if you just want to get a bit of a workout in first thing in the morning or late at night or whenever it is, and you don't fancy going to an actual gym. So I quite like using this first thing in the morning.
Okay, so these are the gardens. It's probably quite an underused space for most of the year.
It's just coming to its own now, which is really nice. Nice to sit outside, maybe have a book or see some friends.
Maybe we could go and have a look at the different staircases in the laundry room, maybe?
Yeah. Should we walk across this way?
Yeah.
So you can see the college crest up there, and a plaque saying that the Queen opened this place in like 1970, 76. Yeah, 76.
Yeah, there you go.
A little bit of history for you.
I didn't know that. Never read that fact.
Okay, so this is yellow staircase, my staircase. And I live in flat 7, which is a couple of floors up. So it's a little bit of a workout getting up there. And then in here we've got the laundry rooms, all provided by Circuit Laundry. So you have an app and you scan on there, and it's about £4 to do washing and drying. So yeah, quite handy. Okay, so I'm here with Thomas. We're at Blue Staircase, 16th Close. We're going to have a look at Thomas' flat. And how did you find living as a 3 compared to living on your own first year? Were you in a single flat first year?
Yeah, it was. It's a lot nicer and more social.
Yeah.
So it's a nice way to spend a lot of time with people. You get to know someone a lot better through them.
I definitely felt like living with my 2 roommates this year. It's really nice to have the kitchen and the living room space together.
Yeah. Not fun. We'll start in the kitchen. This is the kitchen space. This is a open plan kitchen, is that what they call it? Yeah. So here's the seating area, the working / eating area, my kitchen.
Should we see if we can get a view?
Yeah,
nice view on to Stevens. Don't drop it.
There you go. Brilliant.
This is the the sleeping area. There are 3 bedrooms in each flat. This is mine.
Sleeping and working at the moment.
Yeah. I brought quite a lot of stuff up to Oxford to try and fill it, but they are actually quite big rooms and there's a lot of space. Toilet, probably should have put in automatic lights, which is quite cool.
Yeah.
And then there's a shower room in there. I open up.
Just do it. Brilliant.
Okay, great. Well, I think that concludes the tour.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're here with Daisy and Nat, and they're going to show us around their flat. They live in Yellow Staircase, as you can see. Slightly worse day than we've had before, but hopefully that shouldn't affect the tour too much. So Daisy, Nat, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, come on. Oh, right. Daisy?
I'm Daisy, I'm a second year and I take geography.
Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm a second year. I do history.
Okay, we're going to go all the way upstairs now.
Welcome to our flat.
Take us straight to the living room.
Okay, this is the living room and kitchen.
Big and open plan. Some flats in Stevens have like little box kitchens, but obviously we have this really big one, which is really nice. Lovely decoration by Daisy,
Thank you.
as you can see.
Got a lovely view out onto Stevens as well.
Yeah, it's lovely.
On a slightly better day, it would be
Garden.
quite nice.
Okay, this is the bathroom. Pretty standard, really. Toilet, sink.
They're all basically the same, aren't they?
Yeah,
Pretty much.
pretty much.
And then
And this is the shower room.
shower room.
Again, pretty standard.
Cool.
And then whose room do you want to see first?
Let's go Daisy's first.
Daisy's
shall we?
first, best to last.
No, I don't think
not.
so.
Definitely not. Okay, this is my room. Yeah, I've got a bit over the top, I think, slightly on the decoration.
Some lovely.
But I like it.
Do you find yourself working in here quite a lot, or do you tend to, now the library's back open?
I do a little
you
bit
go
of
there?
both, you know. I've been here for the past like three days maybe, but normally I'd go into college.
Yeah.
But maybe overdid it in college last week. I was there every day, so a bit too much.
I like what you did with the.
I was going to say, there's a real student theme going on here, I think.
Yeah, it's cool.
Thanks. I just got some postcards from my mum, and then I went a bit over the top. But, yeah, it's great.
Should we go on to the next?
Yeah, if we can see
Yeah,
yours
sure.
now, if that's all
Right, I
right.
haven't turned the light on, so would you like me to turn the light on? I'm turn them on. You can see what it's like here. It's a bit darker. I get a lot more natural light than Daisy.
Yeah.
So I've got a really nice view of the garden. Also got a little tequila hat here. Decoration. Yeah, like Ryan said, my desk was originally here, but we moved it here because it's just quite nice to work and look out the window. This board, yeah. It
So
is.
it's
It's not
not-
quite.
it's
It's
not
not
all-
quite. Not
To
quite right.
be fair, I did have pictures up here on the board, but it just fell down literally like 2 minutes before you came. But what can you do? Got a nice little eyelash on here. Don't know why. Yeah, it's a really nice room. Don't spend that much time in it anymore because I like to go to the library.
Yeah.
But very nice. I like it. I love living in Stevens.
Yeah, I found the same. I think you hear a lot of things when you start as a fresher about it being quite dark and gloomy, and actually, I think once you get here, it's quite a nice place to live. And
Yeah,
I
like you
agree.
can make it your own, can't you?
yeah,
And it's only like 20 minutes walk from college, so it's not bad at all. I really like it. I'd definitely stay here next year if I got the chance.
yeah. And how do you find living as a three? Because obviously that's the other thing we haven't mentioned is that Susie's not here for the tour.
Yeah.
I'd say it's domestic bliss. Would you?
It is domestic bliss. It's really great. I really like it. I think a lot of people freak out about the 3 because it's just quite an awkward number,
Yeah.
but it's a really nice number, I think.
Mm.
I got really nice flatmates at the time. Yeah, I really like it.
Oh, that's great. Well, thanks for having us along, guys.
Thank you,
No
Ryan.
worries.
Thank you,
Thanks, Will.
Thank you.
See you later.